No wig, who this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this brand new wig from Ywigs, and I'm going to be showing you how it was customized, laid, styled and slayed by Timofey from the Lace Bar. I'm going to be giving you all the details on that, and at the end of the video I'm going to be sharing with you what I think about the wig, whether or not I think it's worth you guys going to check it out or not. Stick around for the review right at the end, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you guys are here. Thank you so much again, and I will speak to you guys at the end of this video.
I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. Cause I know how you usually do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Baby, I love you. Call me your name. Say my name. And tell me what you like to do. Calling you baby. Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You ain't kinda shady. Calling me baby. Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you.
Making you feel fine, turn the heat up. Let them believe we're gonna shine from your body, mind. Baby, the pleasure is all mine. To my people who be regulating the dance floor. Let it step to your business and handle yours. How we do it? Making your people just wanna bounce and get busy because you know that we always hit you off. What you say? You wondering why you feeling the force. They don't worry cause you'll be ready to floss. More heat cause I always put you on. And go to spot at the very second I'm come get you. Now that you're tired, I hope your body be coolin' because we're keeping you moving. That's what we're doing and you know we're gonna.
So guys, I was sent this luscious wig to review for you guys, and I actually picked this wig out myself because, to be fair, the moment I saw it, I saw the style that I wanted immediately. And as you guys know, I do a lot of traveling for work as well. I have realized that having curly hair and short hair is probably one of the best things, especially when you're in a hot country and you don't really want to have to style your hair every day, if you're going to be doing a lot of water activities, water sports, if you're going to be sweating a lot, if it's really humid as well. All these things you have to take into account when you are picking a hairstyle and when you're going on vacation and things like that. What best way to have the most convenient hairstyle or the easiest hairstyle to rock as well as the most on trend than to have a short curly bob? Genius. Subscribe for that, because that was a genius thing. That was genius. Short curly bob is definitely in at the moment. It doesn't matter if it's summer, winter. Personally, I think I'll be rocking this as we are cooling down now in London. The weather's not as hot as it was a couple weeks ago, but I feel like it is so perfect. I decided to team up with such a talented hairstylist as well in London, and she was able to get this look for me literally down to a T. This is what I had pictured in my head, and she was able to get that for me so perfectly. So I'll tell you a bit more about her in a little while. So this wig I'm wearing is by Ywigs hair, and this is a 12-inch 180% density Brazilian curly bob wig. This was slightly longer, but we did decide to cut it so it was shoulder length. So when she was done actually laying it and styling it, I was like, do you think we should cut it? And she was like, yeah, it's gonna look really cute cut. So she started to cut a little bit. We probably cut about that much off. When you have a particular style in your mind, sometimes you just really have to go for it, and we just gave it a little snip, and it worked out perfectly. This is a full lace wig, and the lace on this was a light brown lace. The stylist did add a little bit of foundation powder to the lace. I will tell you guys that this wig is really, really light. It's 180% density. It's not heavy at the bottom at all. Like, it's super light. You don't feel like you're carrying curls on your shoulders itself, because sometimes curly hair can feel really heavy. I can run my fingers through it so easily. To get the curls popping a little bit more, she used a bit of mousse. It wasn't this particular one, but a lot of the mousses, they do the same thing. So she used a mousse similar to this, and when it comes out, it comes out like a foam. She just applied it sort of all over the hair. Even when she did that to it, it didn't feel like it was full of product or heavy. That's one thing that's really good about mousse as well. It can go onto the hair and really sit onto the hair, and it doesn't feel like you've bombarded your hair with so much product. Another thing that's great with curly hair as well, it's good when you can find curly hair that doesn't require too much product into it for the curls to be activated and look natural. And I think that's another thing that's been really, really good about this hair. She didn't have to do too much to get it activated and curly and of course popping. I really like this hairstyle, you guys. I don't think you understand. I just kept saying to her, thank you, thank you, thank you. And the stylist that hooked this up for me is Timofe, and she is from The Lace Bar. She's based in London, and of course you guys can find her on Instagram, and you can get in touch with her through her site there as well. I'm gonna leave the link to her Instagram below. You can check out her account. Guys, if you want to know more about this wig, or if there's anything I've missed out, please check the link in the description box, and it's going to take you directly to Ywigs hair, their site, where you can shop obviously this wig and so many other styles that they have on their website. Also check out their Instagram. I'm going to leave that in the description box. Again, a big shout out to Timofe from The Lace Bar. Yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy this wig. I'm going date night. I'm gonna enjoy this wig. No wig, who this? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my channel next time. Bye.
Come on.